Good morning students. How are you? I hope all of you are fine. In today's video we will revise lesson number 6, We Care for Animals. Yes, as its name is We Care for Animals, we are going to talk about animals. In this chapter we will discuss different types of animals, like some are domestic, some are our pets and some are wild animals. So we are going to start with domestic animals. What are domestic animals? Animals which we keep in our homes or farms because they are useful to us or they help us in many ways. They are called domestic animals. They work for us, so they need energy also, so we should take care of them. Now, can you name the domestic animal or animals that give us wool? So wool is given by sheep. Who gives us honey? Honeybee. Animals which give us eggs. Answer is hen and duck. Animals which are used for riding? Horse, camel. Animals which we use for plowing our fields. Plowing is the process in which we prepare soil for sowing the seeds. So answer is bull and ox. Animals which we love to keep at home as our pet or as our best friends. So they are dog, cat, rabbit. Animals which give us milk, cow, buffaloes and goat. Animals which pull a cart for us. Cart is a wooden gadi which is called cart. Horse, mule, ox, these are used for pulling a cart. And animals which give us flesh. So goat, sheep, hen, they give us flesh. Now the second page is animals need food. Yes, like we need food. Food is our basic need. So animals also need food. They need food to live, to grow and to stay healthy. As we get energy from the food which we eat, in the same way animals also get energy from the food which they eat. And they use this energy to work. So different types of animals eat different types of food. Have you seen some animals, those who eat only plants or grass, like cow, goat, deer? So they are called plant eating animals or plant eaters or herbivorous animals. Lion, tiger, leopard, eagles, they eat flesh of other animals. So they are called flesh eaters or flesh eating animals or carnivorous animals. There is one more type of animals which eat both type of food, plants as well as animals. We call them omnivorous, like dog, crow, bear. Now we are going to discuss our pet animals. We keep our pets as our best friend. We love them, we take care of them as they cannot tell us their needs. So we should take care of their needs. We give them proper food, we can touch them, we can play with them. But we cannot play with wild animals because they are dangerous, like lion, tiger. So we do not try to go to near them or try to touch them because they can bite us, harm us or kill us. Fill in the blanks. Cows, goat, deer and horses eat dash plants as they are plant eaters. We keep dash animals in our home. Pet. Yes, there is a difference between pet animal and a domestic animal. Pet animals we keep with us to play with them like a friend. But domestic animals help us. They work for us. But pet animals do not work for us. Now there is a table in which we can see different types of animals is written. Tick the animal that are harmless and cross the animal that are dangerous, and also write the name of the food which they like to eat. So we can use this help box in which some food items have been written: flesh of other animals, chapati, leaves, fruits, nuts, blood, plants, vegetables, nectar, insects, milk and grains. So you can see we have written this. Now the table is this. So there are different types of animals which we put a tick and a cross for harmless and for dangerous. As well we have written their foods also. Now there is a do you know, a pop-up box which you can see. It is about cud chewing animals. These are the animals which eat grass. They are called cud chewing animals because they rechew their food. That means cows and buffaloes swallow their food without chewing it. When once they eat, they swallow the food, they swallow the grass, and when they are relaxed, they bring the swallowed food back into their mouth from their stomach. Yes, it is true that they bring the swallowed food which they swallow at a time from their stomach to their mouth to rechew it, and they chew the food again to digest it, and this activity is called chewing the cud, and these animals are called cud chewing animals. I have shown you these cud chewing animals in our Zoom class also with the help of some students, those who are having domestic animals at their home, and we have seen their shelters also, how do they take care of them. Now pets are the animals which are kept by people as special friends. As I told you that I had some pets in the past, and some students are also telling me at that time when they were have pets, dog, cats, rabbits, parrots. These are the most common pets which we keep. They need love, care, and gentle handling. So how can we take care of domestic animals? As many students told us in Zoom class that how they are taking care of their domestic animals or pets. So first is we must give them proper food and clean drinking water. As they are also living organism, they also need food, water. So we should give them proper food and clean drinking water to keep them active and fit. Which one is a pet animal? Elephant, lion or dog? Answer is dog. Our pet animals need love, care or both. Answer will be both. Second point is we keep them in a proper shelter. Shelter should be cleaned regularly so it will protect the animals from the heat, cold, rain as well as germs. We must keep our animals clean by giving them a bath regularly. Yes, like bathing is important for us to remove the dust and the sweat for us. So in the same way, animals also need a bath because it cleans them. When they fall sick, we must take care them to a veterinary doctor. Veterinary doctor is that doctor which takes care of animals. They give medical treatment to animals. Pets should be brushed gently to remove the loose fur from their bodies and to remove the dust also. And the most important thing that we should play with our pets so they get enough exercise and they will be active. Animals cannot tell us about their needs, so we should learn them how to take care of them, how they feel. We must kind to animals. We should take care of them. Now it's time for book part. An animal that lives with us: cat, lion or tiger. We cannot live with lion and tiger as they are dangerous animals. So answer is cat. Like us, animals need ice creams? No. Cold drinks? No. Answer will be water. We build proper shelter for our pets. When our pet falls, dash, we take it to a veterinary doctor. Answer is sick. Animals need dash to live, to grow and to stay healthy. Answer is food. Find the odd ones out. Give the reason for your answer. Cow, buffalo, shelter, goat. Answer is shelter. Horse, plant, elephant, camel. Answer will be plant as the rest of the are animals. D part, join the dots and learn to draw a bird easily. An animal used for riding. Answer is horse. Lions eat flesh of other animals. Yes. So by this we have completed its reading and book part. Keep reading. Have a nice day. Thank you.